Hello and welcome everyone, MrCARman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to remove adhesive or any sorts of glue that's been dried up over the years on your vehicle. So on this particular vehicle right now, there was these rubber door strips installed. Once I'd pulled them off, it left all this nasty glue and it's not easy to remove. These were the rubber protective strips that were on these doors, and over the years they deteriorated, so I'm removing them. But behind it does leave adhesive, so I'm going to show you on how you can clean it. So I've already cleaned the glue off on this panel right here, and as you guys are seeing, it's very clean. All the adhesive is gone, it's not sticky. So I'm going to be doing the same all around, and all you're going to be needing are a couple of things. Glue gun, you can use the one in the bottle or this one, just make sure it's Pro Power. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box, as well as a drill. And with the drill, this is what we're going to be using. So all you are going to do with this is with the edge of this pad, you're just going to grind up and down and side to side. And watch my finger, I'm not fully pressing on the trigger. I'm not doing that. I'm going gently, because the trick with this is to avoid doing that, because if you do go with full power, you're going to burn through the paint very quickly. So just go gently back and forth. So now once you see a little bit of progress, first wipe down the excessive and then just give it a couple sprays of this glue gun and let it sit for about 30 seconds. And now after about 30 seconds, just grab a microfiber and it's just going to start rubbing away. So you just do this a couple of times, all this is going to come off. So I'm going to just hit it again. And here are the results afterwards. By using a special pad and some elbow grease, you get rid of that nasty look that you get with the adhesive, and door panels are starting to look very clean now. Once I give the car a wash, it's going to look beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little trick on removing the adhesive off of your doors. It works on windows as well. And I'll have all the products that I use down below in the description box, so please make sure to check it out, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.